Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download the FDroid app and how to set up the repository. This manual will be provided to the project admin to train the staff of the school on how to install the FDroid. Now let's try to download the FDroid app first. To do that, we're going to click on this hyperlink. Download. Click on open. And then click on install. Open the app. And then wait for the updating repositories process. And this is what the app looks like. Now let's try to set up the repository by clicking on settings. Click on repositories. Now we're going to delete all of the default repositories. To do that, we're going to click on the repository and then click on the delete icon and click on delete. And do the same thing with all other default repositories. Now that all of them are deleted, click on the plus icon here and go to the manual. Find the project repository by copying this. Go back to the FDroid and paste it here. Click on add. Okay, let's go back. Click on latest and you will be able to find the EMIS application. Click on it. Click on install and wait for the download process. If this pop-up message appeared, you can click on settings and then allow from this source. Read all of the precautions and click on I am aware of the possible risk and assume all the possible consequences voluntarily. Click on OK. Go back and then click on install. Here you can see that the EMIS app have been installed and we can click on it. And now it is ready to use. You can also open the EMIS app through the FDroid and click on latest. Click on the EMIS application and then click on open. Now let's change the automatic update interval by clicking on settings and then make sure to keep it hourly.